Welcome to the kitchen. Please forgive this intro as my camera did not record the initial one. Today I will be making delicious sausage bombs, an easy grab-and-go breakfast or lunch that you can prep the night before and cook in the morning. You can keep some in the refrigerator for a few days and pop in the microwave or even freeze them.
I'm doing a sausage egg biscuit bomb. Didn't realize that the camera was not recording. What I've already done, I had some Tennessee Pride sausage, the mild. I browned that up with some onions and some garlic. And I've got my eggs. I did 5 eggs. They were some of them were kind of small. You can just do whatever however many you think it needs to feed you, your family, whoever you're cooking for. I seasoned that with my little pat in the pot. That I'm gonna get those. I'm not gonna do a hard scramble because they are gonna go back in the oven. Okay, and they're gonna continue cooking with that hot pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off the pan. Okay, and we're gonna move over to the counter for the next step. Okay, I've already rolled up a few of them. I left this one so y'all can see how it's done. I'm using this, kind of found me a nifty little hack. You're gonna roll, you wanna roll them kind of big. And see, I can just turn that. You want them in as much of a circle as you can so that you can stuff it and stretch it and all of that good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna get this out of the way right there just in case I need it. Now, I realized y'all weren't able to see me scrambling the eggs on the video. So there they are. Now, get me a spoon right here. Get those kind of chopped up a little small. What we're gonna do, we're going to take this sausage and onion and garlic mixture. That might be too much. We're going to find out. Yeah, let me take some of that off because I've got to be able to stretch it around there. So I guess about a tablespoon and a half. And then put you some egg on there. Okay, and I have shredded up some cheese. I got me a mixture of some cheddar and some mozzarella. I shredded that up. I'm going to put some right there. And what we're going to do, we're going to lift both sides up, pinch it together. Going to lift the other side up, and it's not wanting to pinch. We're going to get it. I think I did it a little bit too full. Pinch that, stuff it in. Pinch it, and pinch the corner. Just bring each corner up. Okay. There we go. Got all of them on there. Okay. There we go. Got you a nice little ball. That's all sealed. Gonna go on the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna roll the rest of them and be right back for the next step. Okay, so I got those rolled up. I made it look more difficult than what it was, just as long as you have it all mashed together there. Okay, now I'm gonna make me I'm gonna put a little butter topping on there. So I've already melted me some butter. It's about a half a stick of butter. And put me some good bit of garlic in there. I like garlic. And some parsley. It's not dried, it's not fresh parsley, but you know what? Dried parsley is really just dehydrated parsley is still going to work. Get that lid off of there. There we go. It's really just going to be for some color, maybe a little bit of sweetness. Okay. Stir that up. And I got my little pan, my iron skillet heating up in the oven with some melted butter. This is where the difference is in how I'm doing these. Ooh, it's gonna be good. Okay, the pan's not as high as it was. I already did the oven, and you do the oven to whatever the instructions were on the biscuit packet. 370. This one's 375 for 13 to 17 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna set them. I'm gonna line them up. I want them touching. Be kind of like pull aparts. This pan may have been a little bit bigger than I thought. Not as hot. I had it sitting out, then I put it back in. But it's got that melted butter in there. Okay, now we're going to take this melted garlic goodness. You know what? I'm going to put a little bit more garlic in there because I didn't really smell it a whole lot. And we are going to soak those biscuits. This is going to make it the bomb. I didn't plan that. It just came to me. Oh, goodness. Okay. Oh, these are going to be so, so good. And you want to get them just really, really soaked. I thought about trying, I might do it on another time. We'll see how these go. But I really wanted to try some cream cheese, chive cream cheese on them. But, okay. Got that. And now, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to. This is some everything bagel seasoning. Get that on there. And I'm going to pop them in the oven. And I will see y'all back in about 13 to 17 minutes.
Okay, I am back, and yet again, more technical difficulties. This new thing had a little screen for me to look at. It showed the whole counter, but for some reason it's not showing on this or the audio. So anyway, I just took them out of the oven, and now I'm putting some of that good, another coat of that good garlic sauce on there. Just give it that extra flavor. Now while I'm doing that, if you don't mind, just like, comment, subscribe. Let me know where you're from. Are you from Louisiana or from another state? Well, it didn't record the taste test, but I am not giving up. I am putting this video out. So here is a picture of them out of the oven. Oh, so good. And here is a plate of it. And here is me tasting it. It was delicious. I hope you stuck with me and you give it a try and let me know how it tasted. Thank you and God bless.